How to transfer all data from an old Android to new Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can transfer data from an old Android device to new device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, you can use your Google account backup in order to transfer your data from old device to new device. So on your old Android device, first of all, open up settings. Under settings, scroll down and head towards your passwords and account. From here, you have to select your preferred Google account that you want to use. After that, tap on account sync and here ensure that the sync is turned on for your contacts, calendar and other application that you can see here. So make sure all of that is turned on. Now in order to back up your data, you have to head back to your settings. Scroll down and tap on system. Here tap on backup and enable backup to your Google Drive and tap backup now. Now once the backup is complete, you can close this. After that, go to your new Android device and during the setup process, you have to sign in with the same Google account that you have used on your old device to back up your data. When prompted in your new device, you have to choose to restore your application, contacts and other data from your Google account. Then you have to follow the on-screen instructions in order to complete the process. Then this method will restore all your application, contacts, photos and other data that were backed up to your Google account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.